Sa tanong na kung kamusta ako, okay, andito, naghahanap buhay.
Okay. As to the nagulat ka of your relief, or you disappointed over it?
So many things were said in the past days by other people. Pakinggan nyo na lang muna sila. I'm still composing my thoughts. I'm still composing my thoughts and I'll be making a statement in due time.
Sir, sabi nyo hanap buhay, what do you mean by that, sir?
Pumasok ako sa Grab delivery, sa food delivery at nakatanggap ako ng message sa aking app at nakakita ako na birthday cake. So I delivered it. Nagkataon pala birthday ni Congressman De Lima. So nagulat ako na nadala kong cake sa kanya.
Sir, may offer daw sa yung position.
Naki happy birthday na rin ako.